Apple is about to shake up smartphone photography again by introducing the iPhone 17 Pro Max with one of the best telephoto camera on the market. For years, we've heard that Apple would upgrade from the 12-megapixel 5x telephoto camera on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, the latest leaks suggest the iPhone 17 Pro Max is getting a massive upgrade, a 48-megapixel Tetraprism telephoto camera with moving lens elements. This is a big deal. Instead of a single fixed zoom like most phones, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will reportedly switch between 5x and 8x optical zoom. That's like having two telephoto lenses in one, giving photographers way more flexibility. To fit this new moving telephoto system, Apple may need a larger camera island, which matches the design leaks we've been seeing, with a much wider camera hump. Even better, the telephoto sensor is said to grow to 1 by 2.6 inch, up from the smaller 1 by 3.1 inch sensor on the iPhone 16 Pro models. Bigger sensor means sharper and brighter zoom photos, especially in low light. And here's the kicker, Samsung dropped its 10x telephoto on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, leaving only 5x. Many users aren't happy with that. Apple could take advantage of this gap, with the iPhone 17 Pro Max offering both 5x and 8x zoom. Of course, Apple's new iPhones are expected to be more expensive, but with a stronger camera system, an updated design, and a faster chip, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could justify the price hike. So, what do you think? Will Apple's new telephoto zoom finally beat Samsung, and maybe even convince Galaxy fans to switch? Let me know in the comments.